Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another installment of my redo series where I take makeup looks I did a long time ago, either when I started my channel or very early into my channel's conception, and redo them, change them up, make them better, see how I've progressed, see how my ideas and creative juices are flowing. So today I'm redoing Beetlejuice, which is one of the first looks I did during the very first year I did 31 Days of Halloween, which was when I was a freshman in college, and now I am a college graduate, so it has been a while. So if you guys want to see how I do this look for the ghost with the most, then just keep watching. So to start off, I'm just going to pick up some white face paint and start going in all over my face with white, just so we have a base down. This is my Sassy water activated white, and I'm using an e.l.f. foundation brush. So I have my white base down, and now I'm going into a different paint palette that I have. This is the Wolf FX palette, and I'm going into the light green here with a little bit of water on a stippling brush, and we're gonna add some green, kind of mossy, decaying bits. So I just kind of stipple them on. If you have actual like fake craft moss, that would probably be good too, but I just have this, so this is what I'm going to work with. I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker green and kind of add some dimension. Alright, so now we have our green moss parts. Let's move on to the eyes. So to start off, I am going to go into this neon green color, and we're just going to put this right underneath the brow bone. So I'm just using a big fluffy brush, kind of letting it get down in the crease as a transition color, and just letting it be our kind of highlight points too, because kind of where we put the moss are obviously going to be eye-catching areas, so we want a little bit of consistency to go with the eyes. Going into the Tammy X Makeup Revolution palette, and I am going to dip into this dark purple here. It's a little bit shimmery on an angled brush, and put this right along the crease, kind of more so the eye socket bone, but your crease nonetheless. And I'm just gonna blend that with the same brush up into the green. It's looking really brown on camera, I feel like, but I promise it's purple. To clean up the lid a little bit, I'm going back into my eye primer, and we're just gonna put this on the lid so it is very bright and clean, and cut crease, because we are gonna cut the crease with a little bit of black liner. I'm gonna go into my palette here. I'm gonna go in with this purple. It's kind of like a medium matte purple. And we're gonna pack this on. Now I'm gonna take some black liner and do a regular winged liner, but also cut my crease. So I won't be able to talk through this part, but I will try and show you as good as I can. So now I'm going to dip back into my white paint with a little liner brush, and we're going to add little white stripes onto the eyeliner. This is like a super minor detail, but I think it'll look really cool for the look, and plus it matches the costume, obviously. Throw on some mascara so the lashes have a little bit of definition. For contour, I'm going to go into my black shadow here and tap it off. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to take this NYX crayon and just go in right underneath my eye. I'm going to fill in the brows with some black. The brightest, whitest highlighter I have, and I'm just going to put this on a fan brush and throw a little bit of this on there. And then for lipstick, I am using Serpentina from Lime Crime. All right, I'm going to go do my hair and I will show you guys the finished look. As always, Ruger is here for the outro and to supervise, but this is the end of the look. I just used some of that really cheap, like bad for your hair hairspray that has color in it. I did white and kind of like gray at my roots, and then just did a little bit of purple kind of around the edges and on my baby hairs, just to bring more purple into this look since the eyeliner covered most of that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this redo of my original Beetlejuice look that I did in the very first edition of 31 Days of Halloween, which is crazy to think it was that long ago because this is like my 5th year doing it, which is nuts. See you in the next one. Bye.